Hello guys, today we will prepare Azodye from organic compound containing nitrogen.
We are adding 10% NaOH in beta naphthol to make its solution.
We'll shake it properly so that it dissolves in it. It has almost dissolved. This is the organic compound containing nitrogen group. Now we will take some organic compound and put it in a test tube. Now we will acidify it with dilute HCl.
Now we will dissolve it.
As you can see, it is slowly dissolving. It's almost dissolved. Now to this we will put cold NaNO2 solution. And now we will add beta naphthol solution that we prepared in NaOH. Now you can see the red dye. It is very vibrant red color.
As you can see the vibrant red color of Azodye, and we should not remove it from ice bath since it is unstable at higher temperature and it will decompose.